5 times. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shane at the bottom. Vinko on top.
Got one Vecna card. Nice.
Oh, hell yeah.
That was the actor. Oh god, what's his name that plays Vecna? Was it Metrocon? But it's like one of the people that I just did not lay eyes on all weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're channeling. Ooh, okay. We're starting off with a little book one. So these ones are like the capsule cards. They like open up at the back, but they're only Hearthstone. So that's, if you like Hearthstone, that's a win. And then Volton Darkspear, which I think we pulled a 1 of 1 of this one just before, which was very cool.
Oh, awesome.
We have Thrall. Oh, okay, a StarCraft banners for Protoss. Oh, a 55 of 99 Imperious. That's so sparkly, oh my god. And a Sargeras? Sargeras? There's an Instagram post. How long is it until the $10 code will be sent through? I am unsure. I assume whenever someone gets around to it. Melee of Shadow Song or Reaper. Ooh, okay, we have a little silver moment for Farah. Very cool. Gul'dan, Malthael, and Zoltan Kuhl. You can tell who I know and who I don't know. They got everyone from Overwatch and like Lilith. Maybe Elistraza. We have Sylvanas Windrunner. Lost Vikings 2. Ooh, okay, we have our first piece of a cube, which is Duriel. So I think these pop out and make a little cube, but I just feel like the cube would look strange, and I don't know which side is meant to be on the outside. I don't know. It just confuses me slightly. We have Khadgar, Zerful, and Diablo.
I'm looking now, Andrew. We don't seem to have any packs. I can see a one-piece Kingdom of Intrigue booster box. We've got a couple of those left.
We have Raynor, Murky, ooh, and Orgrim Doomhammer silver moment. Lunara, or Lilith, Thrall, Tyrell, what the? Medivh, another cube, We love a cube, which is Endariel. Zul. SCV. Is that meant to be said as SV or is that just SCV? I'm unsure. And Uther Lightbringer. We have Lady Liedrin, RPM Racing, a silver moment for Endariel, Mechagoth, Arthas Menahil, Teron Gorfiend, or Hammond, or yes, Wrecking Ball. Good win. Ash. Okay, I love Ash. I was about to say this is feeling like a very Overwatch pack, and then we got hit with Diablo, of course. Adria. Kel'Thas Sunstrider. Chugor. And Duriel. We have Ana, RPM Racing, Ash Ultimate ready, Asmodan, Zergling, Inarius, Rexar, Kel'Thas Sunstrider, BlizzCon, with a few different characters on there. Very nice. Voronos. That's from 2005. Greymane, Banshee, and Illyria Windrunner. The Lost Vikings, Joanna. Another cube of Leoric. Morgul, Gul'dan, and Tessada. The Lost Vikings, Genji Shimada, Roadhog Ultimate Ready, Thrall, Drone, and Baal. I'm learning that a lot of these names that I don't know do sound very similar. It's like they were like, oh, we've already named this character something. Let's just change the first consonant and add an extra A in. Winton! I've been seeing so many Winton memes lately, but this is Winston in normal state. We have May. Oh, an Ana tea time emote. Oh, that's such a good one. Oh, hell yes. Oh, I love that. Mephisto, Zul'jin, and Empress. Garrosh, Hellscream, Lucio, another BlizzCon. There's got a little Talon Widowmaker in the corner. And an Ana down the front. I don't know who everyone else is, though. There's 10th anniversary of BlizzCon. For North. Malfurion, Stormrage, Medivh, Turalyon, Valera Singunia, Rightwing, Winton Ultimate Ready, Sarah Kerrigan, Jim Raynor, and Maiev Shadowsong. Deathwing. Ooh, we have another patch of Protoss War Banner. That's a really detailed one, so that's very cool. Ooh, and we have a gold. Illyria Windrunner. A legendary Illyria Windrunner. And Arcturus Minsk. Sigma. Orphea. Another cube, which is Mephisto. Alexei Stukov. Kel thus Sunstrider. And Nerazim Dark Templar. Did your mind get a break from cards on your break, or could you still see them everywhere? I mean, I was still surrounded by Pokemon cards at home because I never escaped that, but I did have a bit of a break from everything else, which means that coming back, I'm not as good at reading names that I don't know. Case in point. We have another Hearthstone little booklet card. A Grommash Hellscream.
Bailey, we do have Legacy Collection hobby boxes, and then just the packs from the breaks.
Magni Bronzebeard. Sergeant Hammer. Teresa in a little silver moment. Garish Hellscream. Belial and Gom. So it said Nom for a second, but not quite. Our last pack, Elise Starseeker, Echo, our last piece of the cube, which is Diablo, Malygos, Lady Yashi, and Enduic Lothar.